My check engine light came on my 2013 Hyundai Elantra. It was throwing code P0456, which is an emissions leak. So with that kind of thing, you always start with the easiest and cheapest, which is that sometimes it can just be that your gas cap is not tight. So make sure this is tight, clicks. I cleared the code up there. 50 miles later, check engine light came back on. Okay, it's not a loose gas cap. So then you want to check and make sure the gas cap is not actually damaged. So inspect this gasket, make sure it's making a good seal. Don't see any damage. I cleaned this up with some WD-40, cleaned out the filler neck, the inside there. It wasn't too dirty. It wasn't like a ton of dirt was coming off. Make sure that's tight, click it back on, clear the check engine code. 50 miles later, check engine light came back on. So the next easiest / cheapest thing to do was, I probably could have inspected, there's probably a way to test it, but this part is so cheap that I just went ahead and replaced it. It's the vapor canister purge valve, I think it's called, which is this black plastic part right here. It has an electrical connection right there, and then it connects to a couple of vacuum hoses. I bought that part. I'll put the part number in the description below. Bought it on Rock Auto for less than 25 bucks plus a couple dollars shipping, and it took me about 5 minutes to replace that. And I cleared the check engine code, and it's been about 1,000 miles now, and it hasn't come back on. So that seems to have solved the problem, right, kitty? Yeah.